by myself without Grandma.
Good job. There's the old bike.
There is 2 wheels, no trainers.
Look at how little the old bike was. Here she goes.
Okay. Ready? Go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Wait, cut!
Well, just come back this way.
Because I said cut.
I know. I don't know how to edit, though. Come on.
I said cut though.
All right. Cut. Ready? Go.
Okay, no wait.
Come on.
Here I go. Daddy, this is for you, and I'm just gonna say that I can do a 2-wheeler now, and see how I turn? This is a 2-wheeler, because see, 1, 2, no trainers. I can hop on without Grandma, see? Ready, go.
Look at you. Almost. Almost got the turn.
Okay. Now I got this. And see how I'm turning, Daddy? That's what I learned in school. And Grandma taught me a little bit. But I'm getting so much better.
Are you getting braver?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. Okay, ma'am. Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye.